Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have the brightness icon, the one with the sun. That looks like a sun rather. Tap on this icon, and now you should see the slider. You can swipe on this slider to adjust the screen brightness. You can swipe up and down. Once you're done, press the side button to go back. You can also adjust the screen brightness through settings, so we can press the side button to open the menu, scroll all the way down, tap on the settings icon, here tap on the brightness option, and again the slider, we can adjust the brightness and then press the side button to go back. And then press it again to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.